this video, I'll be showing you how to use any Canva app of your choice while working on Canva. So you click on your menu icon. These three lines at the top left side of my screen. You click on it. That is my menu icon. Please mind you, your own menu icon may not be there. So depending on your phone, just locate your menu icon. Click on apps. Click on apps again. Then you will see all the apps available in Canva. So you select the one you want to work with. For example, if I want to work with this one, if I tap on it, you'll be asked to use it in an existing design or in a new design. So if you want to use it in an existing design, you click use in existing design, or you want to use it in a fresh design, you click use in new design. So this is one of the ways to use any Canva app of your choice. Another way to do that is by opening a Canva project, either a new one or an existing one. For example, when you open this project, this is a new project or an existing project, and I want to make use of Canva app in this project or in this design. I will click on this plus icon. When I click on it, I will swipe left. When I swipe left, I'm going to click on apps. Now any app I make use of will be here, just like I've been making use of these two. So for you, you may not see any app that you have made use of. You will just see apps. You click on apps. So at this point, you now select the app you want to make use of in this design you are working on. If the apps do not appear here, you just search the app. Let's say the ID. Can you see the ID presenter? You search for it, then it's going to appear with other related apps. You now choose the one you actually want and you use it for the design or project you are working on. So this is how to use any Canva app while working with Canva using your mobile phone. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment. Thank you.